Hello friends, I am Professor Shashikala Jadhav. Welcome to our channel English Guru. Friends, in 12th standard new syllabus, 4th section is dedicated to English drama. To your better understanding, I divided 4.1 in 3 parts. In first part, it will be about definition of drama, elements of drama and types of drama. In second part, it will be about short history of English drama, and part 3 will be about one act play. In this video, we will discuss about the history of English drama. Let's start. Introduction of drama. Drama is a performance which is essentially loud, exaggerated and larger than real life. First, I will discuss about what is drama. Drama is derived from Greek word dran, means to do or to act, means doing or acting makes drama. Here, drama is a performance which is essentially loud, exaggerated and larger than real life. म्हणजे जे नाटक असतं त्याचा जो परफॉर्मन्स असतो तो रिअल लाईफपेक्षा जे घडतंय ते लाऊड किंवा एक्झॅजरेटेड करून दाखवलेलं असतं. अँड एक्झाम्पल ऑफ विलिंग सस्पेन्शन ऑफ डिसबिलीफ, जे वास्तवात नाही आहे ते वास्तवात आहे असं भासवण्याचा प्रयत्न नाटकामध्ये केला जातो. विलिंगनेस टू ॲक्सेप्ट द अनरिअल, sacrifice of realism and logic for the sake of enjoyment. Drama is the specific mode of fiction represented in performance. म्हणजेच विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, ड्रामा हा लिहिण्यामागचा हेतू एकच असतो की त्याचा परफॉर्मन्स केला जातो, की जशी नॉवेल आहे ती आपण फक्त रीड करतो पण ड्रामाचा परफॉर्मन्स होत असतो. अ प्ले, ओपेरा, माइम अँड बॅलेट आर परफॉर्म इन द थिएटर, ऑन रेडिओ और ऑन टेलिव्हिजन. म्हणजेच नाटक, ओपेरा, माइम, बॅलेट यांचा परफॉर्म हा थिएटरमध्ये किंवा रेडिओवर किंवा टेलिव्हिजनवर करतात. आता व्हॉट इज ओपेरा? ओपेरा इज अ ड्रामा सेट टू म्युझिक अँड ओपेरा इज लाईक अ प्ले इन विच एव्हरीथिंग इज sung instead of speech, spoken. In opera, the singer who sings at the same time act out the story are on the stage is called as opera. Then what is mime? Mime is a form of drama. It is a silent art that involves acting or communicating using only movement, gestures and facial expressions. A person performing mime is called a mime. Ballet is an art form created by the movement of the human body. It is theatrical performed on a stage to an audience utilizing costumes, scenic design and lighting. It can tell a story or express a thought, concepts or emotions. What is drama? Definition of drama. Definition of a drama is a composition in verse or prose to be acted on the stage in which a story is related by means of dialogue and action and is represented with accompanying gesture, costumes and scenery as in real life. This definition is taken from Shorter Oxford Dictionary. Next definition of drama. Drama is a composition designed for performance in the theater in which actor takes the roles of the characters, perform the indicated action and utter the written dialogue. By a glossary of literary terms by M.H. Abraham. म्हणजे विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, नाटकाची जी कंपोजिशन आहे, रचना आहे ती परफॉर्मन्स करण्यासाठी केलेली असते की ज्याच्यामध्ये पात्र असतात ते त्यांना ठरवून दिलेले ॲक्शन्स किंवा लिहिलेले डायलॉग्स असतात त्याच्या माध्यमातून ते स्टेजवरती आपला परफॉर्मन्स करत असतात. Objectives of drama. After studying this unit, you will be able to Understand and identify drama as a genre of literature. Learn the definition of drama. Explain the difference between drama and other forms of literature. Explain the basic elements of drama. Understand the types of drama. There are types of drama: tragedy, tragic comedy, and comedy. What is tragedy? Tragedy in Marathi means shokantika. In Greek sense, a play that ends with the death of at least one of the main characters. In modern uses, tragedy means it refers to play that doesn't have a happy ending. In this type of drama, events lead to the downfall of the main character. Tragic drama uses darker themes such as disaster, pain, death. Next type of drama is comedy. Comedy in Marathi means sukantika. In the Greek sense, it is a play that doesn't end in death. In modern uses, comedy means to a play that ends happily or that is humorous. Comedies are lighter in tone than ordinary works and provide happy conclusion. There are various types of comedy: romantic comedy, sentimental comedy, classical comedy, comedy of humor, comedy of manners. Romantic comedy: a funny play about a love story that ends happily is called as romantic comedy. Sentimental comedy is originated in 18th century, is a genre. It is reaction to the immoral tone of English Restoration period. Next, classical comedy. In classical comedy, dramatists follow the classical rules of ancient Greek and Roman writers. Classical rules means unity of time, place, and action must be followed in classical comedy. There is separation of tragedy and comedy. Next, comedy of humor. In this type of comedy, humor increase in through the characters. Then comedy of manners. It is anti-sentimental comedy, realistic and satirical comedy by the Restoration periods, comments upon manners and social convention of artificial society. And third type of drama is tragic comedy. In this type of comedy, elements of tragedy and comedy are intermingled, but this type of comedy ends with happy. Various types of drama. When we read the word drama, there are many words raised in front of our eyes like acting, expression, lights, movement, development, imagination, voice. All these words, image stands in front of our eyes. Now we will see the various elements of drama: plot, characterization, dialogue, setting, stage direction, conflict, themes are the elements of drama. Plot: the series of events occurring in a play. It means plan, scheme or pattern. It has beginning, middle and end. प्लॉट म्हणजे घटनांची मालिका असते. प्लॉटमध्ये त्याला सुरुवात असते, मध्य असतो आणि एंड असतो. एक्सपोजिशन असतं, रायझिंग ॲक्शन, क्लायमॅक्स, फॉलिंग ॲक्शन अँड डिनॉमिनेट आर द स्टेप्स ऑफ प्लॉट. कॅरेक्टर्स: the most element of the drama, the protagonist is the main character in a play. Other characters are major, minor, static and dynamic, flat and round. म्हणजेच विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, नाटकाचं जेव्हा परफॉर्मन्स सादरीकरण स्टेजवर होत असतं ते पात्रांच्या माध्यमातून होत असतात. त्यात काही मुख्य पात्र असतात, काही त्यांना मदत करणारे मायनर कॅरेक्टर असतात. मुख्य पात्रांमध्ये तुमचा नायक असतो, प्रोटॅगॉनिस्ट असतो, आणि खलनायक म्हणजे अँटॉगॉनिस्ट असतो. त्यांना सपोर्ट करणारे इतर कॅरेक्टर असतात. Characterization. It means to reveal peculiarities of the character, to gain insight into their personality, establish connection with them. In the sense, characterization is the playwright's technique for revealing the personalities of characters. It may be direct or indirect. म्हणजेच कॅरेक्टरायझेशन म्हणजे पात्र योजना. पात्रांचं जे काही कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स आहेत ते ड्रामॅटिस्ट डायरेक्ट सांगत असतो की सांगितलेलं असतं, किंवा पात्रांच्या परफॉर्मन्सच्या माध्यमातून ते इनडायरेक्टली प्रेक्षकांपर्यंत पोहोचत असतं. डायलॉग्स, इट इन्व्हॉल्व्स टू स्पीकर्स मोनोलॉग टू स्पीक टू वन सेल्फ. मोनोलॉग्स example in Lord Tennyson's Ulysses we will see the monologue. Soliloquy, characters thought process expressed aloud. म्हणजे सॉलिलॉक्यू मध्ये जे काही पात्र असतं त्याच्या डोक्यामध्ये जो काही विचार चाललेला असतो तो लाऊड थिंकिंग असतं, ते प्रेक्षकांना ऐकायला जातं. हिअर बेटर एक्झाम्पल ऑफ सॉलिलॉक्यी इन रोमिओ अँड जुलिएट. Romeo's when Juliet listened the Romeo's soliloquy, she understands that Romeo's father is her family's enemy. And most word famous soliloquy by Shakespeare, to be or not to be, in Hamlet. Dialogue, it reveals the nature of characters and gives us information about his relation. म्हणजे डायलॉगच्या माध्यमातलं पात्रांमध्ये जे काही संबंध आहेत ते संबंध प्रेक्षकांपर्यंत पोहोचत असतात. नेक्स्ट आहे स्टेज डिरेक्शन. परफॉर्मन्स ऑफ द ॲक्टर्स during the course of the development of the story along with the use of set, lighting, music and costumes. म्हणजे यामध्ये स्टेज वरती लाइटिंग, संगीत योजना किंवा जे कॉस्ट्यूम असतो, प्रॉप्स असतात, प्रॉपर्टीज असतात, स्टेजवर ठेवलेले ऑब्जेक्ट्स असतात, याचा सर्वांचा स्टेज डिरेक्शन मध्ये समावेश होतो. स्टेज डिरेक्शन्स आर गाईडलाइन्स सजेशन्स गिवन बाय द ड्रामॅटिस्ट. स्टेज कसा असावा, स्टेजची मांडणी कशी केली जावी याचं सगळं डायरेक्शन आहे ते ड्रामॅटिस्ट ड्रामा लिहित असतानाच देत असतो. की जसं स्टेज डिरेक्शन फाउंड इन ब्रॅकेट और पॅरेंथेसिस डिस्क्राइब सीनरी, ॲक्शन अँड हाऊ कॅरेक्टर स्पीक, टेल्स ॲक्टर हाऊ टू मूव अँड स्पीक. इट ऑल्सो हाऊ टू मेक स्टेज लुक टू सेट दिस scenes. Conflict, it is the essence of drama. It enlightens life, grants dignity and worth to human life. In conflict, there are internal conflict or external struggle that creates dramatic tension. External conflict, in that type of conflicts character versus character, character versus nature or character versus society. In internal conflict of characters versus self. Next, theme. Theme is the main idea or point of play stated as a generalization. Theme is the major elements of drama on which whole drama performs or stand. Thank you for watching video at the end. Friends, don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more notification about our upcoming videos. Thank you.